Where we have space, we have movement. So every day we need to practice keeping space in the lumbar back, especially where the hip crust is, to the rib wall is. Let's do the micro bridge to make this happen. So we're coming down onto the floor, and before we even start anything of change, I want you to be a master assessor as to how your body is just lying down in its upright position. Take notice that there are some things that are hitting the ground and some things that are lifted up off the ground. By bending your knees, I want you to use the feet to become very connected to the ground, and notice what your hips do when you're using your feet. Ideally, the hips should go into tilt, meaning these frontal hip bones move forward to create space in that lumbar back. Using the back of the arms, keeping space into the chest, and we are pressing away. Take notice if you have one foot stronger than the other. If it's one foot that's stronger than the other, go empty in the foot that might feel a little bit heavier, and let this work independently, or vice versa. If you have the left working stronger, if you have the right working stronger, turn on that side that doesn't feel as strong. And we are maintaining that hold, whether it's that 1 foot, just to get it on board for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then bring this back into the picture. And it's like magic. It should feel as though both now are working equally. If you had them working equally right from the get-go, well then do this in a way that just intensifies the communication from the feet to the hip, and the hip all the way up to the brain and to the shoulders, and we're hanging and holding. If you're doing it in the right way, you're gonna have this movement in the knees beyond your conscious control. And after that 10 seconds is over, extend the legs back and notice if you are more on those butt cheeks versus being on that tailbone. Too many nerves come all throughout that sacrum complex, so you never want to be suffocating into that tailbone. Instead, give it some space for that to move as well.